Hey guys, Alex from Straumann here, and today I want to shed a little bit of light on our ceramic implant. More commonly seen in practices across mainland Europe and starting to gain popularity in the UK market, with the pure ceramic implant system, even patients with the most demanding needs can smile with confidence and receive a metal-free alternative. It comes in either a monotype or a two-piece. It can be placed guided or freehand and only requires using your standard Straumann tissue level bone level surgical cassette. You get high-end aesthetic results from this tooth-coloured implant, teamed with favourable soft tissue management. Every single implant is 100% proof tested and has a ZLA surface. The Straumann Pure Ceramic Implant System is the result of more than 12 years of relentless research and development until the ceramic implant complied with our premium quality standards. If you want to know about the Straumann Pure Ceramic Implant, case studies and indications, speak to your local Straumann territory manager.